In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the top left corner. Now to create new alarm, hit this plus icon at the bottom. Finally, you can adjust your alarm however you wish to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on the gray sweater next to repeat if you wish for your alarm to repeat. And tap on blue days of the week that you wish to exclude, or white ones to add them. Then select ringtone. Over here you can choose Add New at the top. Pick any song from your device by clicking on it and go back. You can also just tap on one of those sounds. Then tap on the sweater next to vibration to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, select label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. Lastly, just tap on this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use blue sweater next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same, now gray one. To edit your alarm, click on it, make some changes, and tap on the check mark again. To delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on bin icon at the top right corner. And now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!